What if I told you that you could wake up every morning to the sound of ocean waves, eat fresh seafood for just a few dollars, and never have to shovel snow again, all while spending 75% less than you do in the United States? More and more Americans are leaving behind the stress of high costs and fast-paced living to settle in the Philippines. It's not just a vacation paradise, it's becoming a new home for thousands of expats. But why? What is it about this Southeast Asian country that's making so many Americans pack their bags and start fresh? In this video, we'll uncover the real reasons behind this growing trend. By the end, you might just be tempted to make the move yourself. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. 1. The insanely low cost of living. Life in the United States is becoming unbearably expensive. Rent, groceries, healthcare, it's all adding up. But in the Philippines, the cost of living is dramatically lower. An individual can live comfortably on as little as $800 to $1,200 per month, while a couple can enjoy a high standard of living for under $2,000. Housing is where the biggest savings happen. A one-bedroom apartment in a prime location in Manila costs around $280 a month, while the same in the US could easily be over $1,500. In smaller cities or islands, rent drops even further. Food is just as affordable. Eating out at a local restaurant costs only $3 to $5 per meal, and even a fine dining experience rarely exceeds $20 per person. Public transportation is another area where expats save big. Instead of spending hundreds per month on gas, insurance, and car payments, most foreigners use cheap taxis, ride-sharing apps, or the iconic jeepneys for less than $1 per ride. Everything from utilities to healthcare is significantly more affordable than in the United States, allowing expats to stretch their retirement savings, social security, or remote work income much further. 2. A dream lifestyle in a tropical paradise. Imagine waking up every morning in a place that looks like a postcard. That's daily life in the Philippines. The country is made up of over 7,000 islands, offering everything from bustling city life in Manila to quiet, white sand beaches in Palawan. Unlike in the US, where winters can be brutal, the Philippines enjoys a warm tropical climate year-round. Temperatures average around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and with over 2,100 hours of sunshine annually, there's no need for heavy coats or snow shovels. The country is a playground for outdoor lovers. Expats spend their days diving in crystal-clear waters, exploring lush rice terraces, and island hopping through some of the most stunning seascapes in the world. For those who prefer city life, places like Cebu and Davao offer modern conveniences with a relaxed, tropical feel. Whether you prefer a fast-paced lifestyle or a slow, beachside retreat, there's a perfect spot in the Philippines for you. 3. No language barrier. English is everywhere. One of the biggest challenges of moving to a foreign country is the language barrier. But in the Philippines, English is widely spoken. It's one of the country's official languages, making communication effortless for American expats. You don't need to learn a new language to order food, ask for directions, or handle legal documents. Road signs, menus, and business transactions are all in English. This makes adjusting to life in the Philippines much easier compared to moving to places like Thailand or Mexico, where learning the local language is often necessary. For retirees or digital nomads who don't want the hassle of learning a new language, the Philippines is one of the most foreigner-friendly destinations in the world. 4. The friendliest people in the world. Ask any expat why they love living in the Philippines, and most will say, the people. Filipinos are known for their warmth, hospitality, and genuine kindness. Unlike in some Western countries where neighbors barely interact, Filipinos embrace community. It's common for expats to be invited to family gatherings, birthdays, and fiestas, even if they've just arrived. The sense of belonging is strong, making it easy to form deep connections. Filipinos also have a strong culture of respect. Elders are treated with great admiration, and sir and ma'am are commonly used, even when speaking casually. For Americans who feel isolated back home, the Philippines offers a level of social warmth that can be life-changing. 5. The best retirement visa in the world. For those looking to retire abroad, the Philippines has one of the most attractive visa programs. The Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRRV, allows foreigners to stay indefinitely with multiple entry privileges. Unlike in the US, where retirement often means financial stress, retirees in the Philippines enjoy a relaxed and affordable lifestyle. On just $1,200 a month, they can live in a comfortable home, dine out regularly, and even afford household help. The government also provides discounts for retirees on medical expenses, utilities, and transportation, making it even easier to enjoy a stress-free life. 6. Digital nomad and business opportunities. It's not just retirees who are moving to the Philippines. Digital nomads and entrepreneurs are taking advantage of the low cost of living to build their businesses remotely. The country is becoming a hotspot for freelancers, remote workers, and startups. Co-working spaces are popping up in major cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao, offering fast internet and a growing community of like-minded professionals. With lower operating costs, many entrepreneurs are also setting up businesses here. Whether it's an online store, a consulting firm, or a cafe, the Philippines provides a unique environment for business-minded expats. 7. Affordable and high-quality healthcare. One of the biggest concerns for Americans moving abroad is healthcare, but the Philippines offers high-quality medical care at a fraction of U.S. prices. Private hospitals in major cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao have state-of-the-art facilities, and many doctors have trained in the US or Europe. A doctor's visit costs as little as $10, and major surgeries are up to 80% cheaper than in America. This affordability is why the Philippines is becoming a popular destination for medical tourism. Expats can get top-tier medical care without the financial burden of the US healthcare system. Should you move to the Philippines? With its low cost of living, breathtaking natural beauty, welcoming people, and foreigner-friendly environment, it's no surprise that more Americans are choosing to call the Philippines home. Whether you're looking to retire, start a business, or simply enjoy a better quality of life, the Philippines offers opportunities that are hard to find anywhere else. The real question isn't why Americans are moving here, it's why more haven't already made the move. Are you considering moving to the Philippines? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel and expat content. See you in the next one.